But if you like drama, this division has that too. Plenty of it. Welcome back to the Jack Racing YouTube channel. Welcome back to Auburndale Speedway. We're doing something a little bit different today. We're not racing, but I got some stuff I want to talk about and want to show you guys. First of all, before we get into it, click the subscribe button real quick. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're doing a big giveaway. We're going to be giving away hats, shirts, croc charms, stickers, all sorts of cool stuff. So make sure you click subscribe. We got tons of racing content coming up soon. All right, enough of that. Here's what we're here to talk about today. It is the most popular division, at least the most new popular division in short track racing right now, Crown Vics. They're popping up at tracks all over the place. They are bringing huge car counts. They're bringing crazy action. And here's my hot take. I think they're going to be the future of short track racing. They're going to be the new street stocks down the road. I'm going to tell you why I think that. But first of all, let me show you a little bit about what these cars are in case you've never seen them before. So they're exactly what they look like. They are just Crown Vics, Grand Marquis, whatever, straight off the street. You can get these things dirt cheap, police auctions, junkyards, Facebook Marketplace. These things are everywhere, and they don't cost much to turn them into a race car. Here's really all you have to do. Get yourself a roll cage, a race seat, get some seat belts, good old racing belts. Take all the flammable stuff out of the inside. Don't mind all the grass and stuff. We just had a hurricane here a week or two ago. But yeah, that's really it. You don't really mess with the suspension. You just run street tires on it. Some people put some big old crash bars on the front. In the grand scheme of race cars, they're pretty easy to build and they don't cost a whole lot of money. You can get these things for, I've seen $3,000, $3,500, maybe $4,000 for a good one. Some of them I've seen even cheaper if you're willing to put some work into it. But yeah, it's a really good way to get your start in short track racing. I know some people don't like the front wheel drives. They hate the 4-cylinders. This is the good alternative right here. You can find these parts everywhere. They're in junkyards all over. You can buy parts online. There's always going to be an easy place to find parts for these things. All right, here's the explanation for my hot take, why I think these things are going to be the next big thing in short track racing. So you see the street stocks out there now. You got the 80s Monte Carlos, 70s Camaros, you know, all those kind of cars. And they're awesome. I love street stocks. You guys know if you've been here for a while, I used to have one. They're great cars, super fun to drive, but they're getting expensive. Parts are getting hard to find. The junkyards are going to run out of them eventually. I mean, they don't make those cars anymore. There's a finite amount available, and eventually that's going to run out, right? That's just, it is what it is. So this is the new wave to me. This is the street V8 car that you can get in, turn it kind of into a race car without breaking the bank and having to buy a full tube chassis car. So that's why I think it's going to be the next big thing in short track racing. I mean, look at the success that Cletus McFarland has had with the Freedom Factory. All his Crown Vic races, they're awesome. They can get a ton of those cars together. They have great action. The local short tracks are full of these things. They're probably some of the highest car count divisions you'll see, and they're usually some of the wildest races you'll see too. If you want to talk about a stock car, this one still has working windshield wipers. If that rain comes down in the middle of the race, it's good. You just keep going. Got to give a shout out to our boy Bobby from Chasing the Checkered. Make sure you check out his channel. He's the one letting us check out his car tonight.
Man, like, share, subscribe. All the help we can get to grow the channel. Last time I checked, we're at 175 subscribers. And if you like short track racing, that's what we do. So we're either in this, we're in the scrambler cars. We film other people. So short track superstars at Chasing the Checkered, come see us.
There you go. Go on, find his videos. Tell him Jack sent you. I know this is probably a controversial division, but I'm telling you, when there's like 20 of these things on a quarter-mile track and they're beating and banging on each other, which they do, they're big cars. They can take some hits and keep going. It is quite the show. I always get excited to see these. They are awesome. If you've never seen them, go find a track that has them and check them out because they are absolutely worth watching. I love this division. Let me know what you guys think. If you've seen these cars race in your area, if you'd like to see these cars race in your area, but these are great. This is, it is definitely the future of beginner short track racing. Mark my words. Yep, that's one car doing a burnout on another car after a wreck. I don't know what you think about this kind of thing, but if you like drama, this division has that too. Plenty of it. All right, guys, here we go. I'm making my Crown Vic debut tonight. We're gonna take this car from here all the way up onto there. I got one shot. I can't blow it. I can't let everyone down. Everyone who supported me, gotten me this far in this Crown Vic game, I'm gonna give it my best shot.
He's coming to the racetrack to drive something, even if it's to drive it on the trailer.
Gosh darn right, it still counts. All right.
It's tight. Oh, you got plenty of room.
This is cozy. I could take this on a road trip.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Steering wheel somewhere in there.
You don't need that. That's optional.
It's pretty much a straight shot.
I want to thank all my sponsors who got me here. Thanks, Bobby, for putting me in the car. That was a ride. I'll tell you what. So there you have it. There's what I think of Crown Vics, why I think they're the future, and yeah, you got to see my debut there. It's pretty sick, wasn't it? But yeah, let me know. I would love to hear everyone else's opinion on this. I know when there's kind of new changes, people are sometimes hesitant to it. Sometimes they jump right on it. So let me know what you think and why. And yeah, thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you check out everything we have down in the description. We've got shirts, we've got hats, we've got croc charms, we've got all sorts of fun stuff for sale. We're doing a big giveaway at 1,000. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already. We really appreciate it. It helps a small team like us out a lot. We got a lot of awesome races coming up. We got New Smyrna's Governor Cup, the big charity race at Auburndale where we just were. We got some races at Citrus. It's going to be a good fall season going into the winter. I think we're going to learn a lot, figure out a lot of stuff on the truck. I learned a lot just watching those people drive tonight, so I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait to get back behind the wheel. Thank you for checking us out. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.